Investometrix Group presents. Investometrix is Level 1 and Level 2 prep courses for the Certificate in Investment Performance Measurement, CIPM. Our prep material is designed to give you a clear, structured path to exam success, so you can study smarter, not harder. Built by experienced industry professionals, our courses use a visual learning approach to help you retain key concepts and build knowledge that lasts well beyond the exam day. You'll get access to comprehensive study materials, including video lectures and concise study notes that fully cover all study sessions, readings, and learning outcomes, aligned with the latest curriculum. Each topic is reinforced with practice questions and detailed feedback so you can identify gaps and improve with confidence. Our built-in study guides, progress tracking, and achievement milestones keep you focused, motivated, and on track every step of the way. Join Investometrix today and enjoy unlimited access to the course materials until you pass.